Okay, so same idea as this is a front view reference file, but I'm just going to build this up off to the side here with the elliptical base, kind of looking at the distance, just kind of setting it off to the side of the board. And again, finding the distance going up. And this is going to be a little bit taller as it goes in the distance, just by a slight piece from the night. And it's going to be just a little bit taller, but in the distance it might even off the distance of the space here. So when you start to estimate the pieces going up, these distances on the outside of the ellipse get a little bit larger. And as they slowly build up, they start to taper in, so you can kind of see this overall section. You can kind of sketch it in and locate the next kind of elevated piece that hits there, and kind of relate it to the other parts, other pieces into the illustration there. And remember, all the elliptical pieces don't have a point to them, and they kind of taper in like this here. So again, keeping it straight, kind of keeping it even on either side till you get to the part where it tapers. And here's the section, so you can kind of see the top's going to be about up here. You can estimate the distance down. And this is going to get a little flatter ellipse because it's closer to the eye level. And kind of building that section. So I'm just going to build an elliptical shape here. And taper this down, almost like a bowling pin idea. And once it goes above the horizon line, then the vanishing points start to taper and things come down from the top down. So you just want to be aware of that part. And being symmetrical makes it a little bit easier. So as it comes down here, you can kind of see the tapering off of this part. The part that's cut out here, since it was symmetrical till that part, depending on how you slice it, is going to be just two parallel lines with the curve, and you'll be able to see the other side of it inside there. And once you have it sketched out, you can heavy this part up, kind of look at the proportions, see if everything seems to fit properly. And then you start to heavy these angles up. And building that part up. And then again, kind of following along with the shading that they have. Put some paper down just so you don't smear the other drawing. And try to run that piece up there. This part has the curve of the shadow, cast shadow to it. It builds it up pretty quickly that way. And it's just a matter of taking a look at the line, trying to lose the line into the shadows. Cast shadow's going to come across. And then just try to find the base tone, still keep that reflected light in there. Build this part up. And again, see if you can blend your line in away from the shadow. And then again, you can use your eraser to just go ahead and pluck out the highlight here.